These are all items you can win for free. Oraimo, Mifa, Clipper, under the personal use, and under the home use you can see something like standing fan, steam iron, and Bluetooth speaker. So in this video I will show you how you can be able to claim those prizes, okay, for free. So just stick around from the beginning to the end of this video. So first of all, we log into the account, okay. We log into the account. So let me input my details. We log into the account. Good. Welcome back to my channel, your guide to all you must know about online platform. Today I will show you how you can be able to win prizes, personal and home use, on Adlink. Stick around till the end as I walk you through the steps. After you log into the platform, every 24 hours you connect your machine, and when it's connected, that's when you can earn your free dollars, okay. So before you connect it, remember you must have bought any of the machines under the hosting. You must have purchased anyone. If you don't know how to purchase it, if you want to walk through the step-by-step process on how to purchase a device on this platform, you can watch my previous videos. Good. So now that you have registered into the account, it is assumed that you've already purchased a machine on this platform. So the first thing you have to do, you navigate to the award dashboard. You come to award, and you can see you have something like continuous checking cola. So come here, claim free USDT and some points, some CDN daily, okay. So every day you come here and claim the free point. As you can see, if I click on it, good, the reward has been given to me. I've claimed it. So you move down, complete the new recruitment task to earn exchange for daily necessities. Complete the task within the specified time and earn shopping points. Good. So that is what you are mostly interested in. We move down. You can see the remaining time of activity. Add a new first level number of people. So we click on this detail shopping point, okay. We click on this detail shopping point. So when we click on it, we have the personal and the home use. So first of all, we talk about the personal use. Under the personal use, you can see price that we can earn. First one, we have 16,000 mAh high Oraimo power bank. The point required to win this is just 50 shopping points. The exchange time is Saturday. The reward company is Adlink. The trading method is delivery. Before they give you the price, you have to input your mailing address. You come here on this free redemption and you redeem your price, okay. So when you redeem it on Saturday, you wait for them, they come and give you. Next price is Airtel 4G Lite MiFi. You can see the requirement is, the point required is 60 shopping points, and the mailing address, the free redemption. So the last one, this personal use, is the men's hair clipper kit, okay. But the point required for this is just 80 shopping points. So we move to the home use, okay. We move to the home use. Under the home use, we have something like the standing fan plus. Requirement is 50 shopping points. And the second one, we have the steam iron. Requirement is 60 shopping points. And the last but not the least is the Bluetooth speaker, which the requirement is just 80 shopping points. Wow, Adlink is doing great job, okay. So if you have not hopped on Adlink, this is the right opportunity for you. To participate, click the link in the description below if you don't have an account to register. So if you don't have an account on this platform, you can click in my link in the description below to register new account, okay. It is when you register that you can be able to participate on these prizes. If you found value in the video, kindly comment below, like and subscribe to my channel, and also share my video, okay. So this is all for today's video. Always reminding you to stay safety online. See you in the next video.